disaster.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's April plan with me. I'll be using my customizable sticker pack, which is available in my Etsy shop. This has this lovely sort of tiger print detail. It's got all the dates for the month. It's completely customizable to fit any sort of planner, and obviously I am using the Law of Attraction planner. It comes with lots of stickers, some actionable stickers, bills, dates, lists, washi tape strips. There are 4 in total. This particular sheet has more lists and lots of nice little quotes and pictures that will make your planner look nice and pretty. It is in this lovely sort of pink colour, pinkish tones, and there's a notes list, some girl boss and sort of work from home kind of stickers, and more little bits to obviously put all your to-dos and your items for the month. So let's get into this plan with me.
Every change has a reason, baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. We are close, can you feel it? Something is behind the clouds. We just have to believe it.
Right, so this is what we've got filled in so far. We're currently just started in April already, so I'm a little bit late doing this, but obviously today is Good Friday when I'm filming this. So I've filled that in. I'm obviously going to be working on my Etsy shop and filming videos and stuff for my YouTube channel this weekend. So I've got my hustle sticker there. And then obviously we've got Easter on Sunday, which I'll put a little heart there because me and Sam are obviously going to spend it just chilling and relaxing. And then we've got Easter Monday. I've added all the dates of the month. I've added a few little bits and pieces here. Now we've got a holiday, 2 days off work as well here. So obviously I'm obviously going to be working on YouTube stuff on that day as well. And the rest of the times I will be obviously working my normal job. And then obviously on the 29th, it's my birthday. Now I don't have loads planned in at the minute because obviously we're waiting for the shops to open. Payday is here, which I need to write in, by the way. I've just put the little symbol there ready, but I'm just going to write that in. Payday. We get paid throughout the month, so 11 working days. Sorry, I'm covering the camera there. So yeah, payday here. And then obviously my birthday on the 29th, and so I'm hoping to do something nice. And then obviously here I've got some lists. I've not filled all these in yet because I'm not sure what I'm going to put on there yet. I might do some shopping lists, or maybe some, I've already got my filming ideas here. These are stuff that I will be filming. So obviously we've got the plan with me, which is what we're doing now. I've got an everything £5 coming up, so you've got a sneaky peek of what's going on. A Glassy Box video, a Home Bargain and Poundland video coming up, and there's probably going to be some more. There is going to be a decluttering video as well, but that's also on my to-do list, which I think I'm going to be doing tomorrow. So I'll film a declutter video, put that in there. I like this girl boss sticker, so I'm going to put that there as well. These again can be used for like notes, or they can be just used for decorative, which is what I've used. Now over here we have sort of goals for the month. So I've got a video coming up on this, but obviously it's going to be about healthy eating. just to, obviously I've got some digestive issues, so we've got that coming up as well, and I'm going to reward myself with a pamper night for obviously sticking to that. It's going to be quite hard, but I'll explain more in that video. Drink more water, which is really important. I don't do enough of this. I need to just, actually I've got some little water stickers. I need to start sort of utilise these a little bit more. So I might just stick some of those on and give myself a little bit of a, you know, if I have sort of drank water, sort of give myself a little tick sheet or something. I could actually use these, or when I start to fill in the dailies, which is what's coming up, which I'll do in a second, that's where you're going to put, obviously, that you've drank your water and stuff. So I need to fill these in as well, some good intentions and some skills and habits to learn. I'm not sure what I want to do for that yet, but this is as far as I've got to filling this out. I'm obviously, as soon as the shops are open, I'm going to go to Primark. So that is going to be a main one. So I'm going to be going to Primark on my day off here. So it'll be here. So I'm going to write it in Primark. So obviously you will know there's a Primark video coming up, so I'll put that in there. I was going to add it on here, but I might just add another sort of sticker box here. So I'm just going to add this cute little pink one just to continue my planning list. So I'm going to add in here Primark, because that's going to be a video. Yes, can't wait. And that's where I'm going to leave it for now. Yeah, they are customizable to fit any kind of planner. Obviously, this is the Law of Attraction planner. They probably fit any other planner with a little bit of thought, and you can just chop them down to make them fit. So this is what I always do with all my sticker packs anyway, no matter where I get them from. And obviously these stickers are all included. You saw them at the beginning of the video. If you want to give me a big thumbs up, that'd be brilliant. If you want to subscribe, you can do it in the link below. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and I'll leave it on the screen, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.